So grab your yarn that you're working with to make your little elephant. This time I'm choosing a light pink. We're going to start with a magic circle. So wrap around and grab your hook. And we're going to be doing 1 chain into the magic circle. Alright, next we'll be putting 8 single crochets into our magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, let me tighten that up a little bit. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tighten it and slip stitch into that first single crochet that we started with. Okay, chain 1. Now we're going to be working in half double crochets, starting with 1 into the same stitch. And then we're going to be putting 2 half doubles in every stitch going around. I'll grab some more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I should have more than that. I think I started counting late. So 1, let's see. I'm counting this first chain. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's what I want. Slip stitch into the top of that first half double. Chain 1. Now we'll still be working in half doubles. This time it's going to be a little bit different. Do 1 into the same stitch again. 2 into the next. 1 half double into the next. 2 half doubles into the next. And you're going to repeat that going all the way around. 2 in every other one, because we're still on an increase. So 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, all that, all the way around. What we want to make sure is that our little elephant doesn't become a bowl, that it remains flat. If you ever have a circle that starts to bowl out and you don't want it to, it just means that you need to be increasing where it's supposed to need an increase. Otherwise, the sides will start to flip up. Alright, came all the way back around, slip stitch into that first half double. Okay, now we're not going to chain this time. What we're going to do is go into, and not the same stitch, go into the next single crochet, just 1. Next one, single crochet. This next one we're going to do a half double, and going into that same stitch, a double. Going into that same stitch, another double. Alright, and then do a double into the next stitch, not the same one, the next one. Okay, now chain 2, slip stitch down into this next stitch, just like that. Alright, chain 2 again, do a half double into the next stitch, not half double, I'm sorry, double. Double, do another double but in the next stitch, chain 2, slip stitch in up here. Okay, should look something like that. Now slip stitch into the next one, slip stitch into the next one. Alright, now we're going to start our trunk. Actually, sorry, let's slip stitch a little higher. Make this trunk a little higher on him. There we go. Alright, now single crochet 8, a chain of 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now doing single crochets, we're going to go backwards, starting into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet, 1 in every single chain. Okay, 2. I know it can be a little hard to hold on to the body while trying to chain. Might take you a few minutes. Oop. I apologize for the 2-year-old in the background. Alright, almost there. Alright, now do a half double into this stitch right here where we had last done a slip stitch. Whoops. Do a half double into the next stitch. Half double into the next stitch. Now single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. We're going back around to the other side. Last thing we have to do on the body is going to be the tail. Alright, so right here from the previous round, go in, chain, sorry, single crochet and then chain 1. Now go into that chain, just slip stitch. You're going to be cutting off, sorry, tail, pull that through. There we go. Ooh, I did that too tight. There we go. Now take your hook, let's pull that back through all the way, and now you have the body. Alright, so next is going to be the elephant ear. You'll be doing a magic circle again with this. So start that. Okay, chain 2, and then we're going to do 8 half doubles into, you know what, no, make it a little bigger. Let's do 8 double crochets into the magic circle. Tighten that. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to be pulling it close, but not all the way. You want it to be like that. Go ahead and cut a little bit of a tail to it so we can tie it on. through. Right, and then what I'm going to do is pull this on this side, through this side, so that it sits on the elephant just the way I want it. So now we're going to be looking at placement, and I think I want to put it right through these two. So bring your hook. That pulled something else. There we go. Hook through. Pull that. And let's get the top. Could not get my camera to stay still. Alright, so I've got them through. Let's go ahead, pull those tighter, flip it over, and let's tie that ear down and get rid of some of these tails. Okay. Now also want to tighten that magic circle in the middle. So what you're doing is just basically slip stitching into a different loop somewhere. And we have the tail. Oh, there we go. Almost done. So let's flip that over. So our little elephant is almost ready. Whatever fabric color you're using, not fabric, yarn you're using for the ear. I just can't talk today. The eye, grab that. Now I did use black on the little gray elephant, but I thought gray would be a cute accent color on the pink. So now I'm going to use these two holes right here between stitches to pull this yarn through. So, and then like on the gray one, I pulled it through twice. So, let me do that again. Just like that. Turn over. Let's tie it off. Alright. And now we have two little elephants. Alright, thank you for watching. Tune in next time.